think about the United States and our recent election, President Trump now, are you optimistic about America?
President, of course, they're very important individual, but basically, I always say, telling, world belongs to humanity. Each nation belongs to the people. So America basically belongs to American people. So America, I consider the leading nation of the free world. American ancestors, you see, they very much sort of emphasize liberty, democracy, rule of law, these things. So, you, President, I think during election, you see, both at the use, I think extensively, the freedom of speech, freedom of thought. Okay, doesn't matter. Now, once the people elected, now have the responsibility. And also the system is teamwork. So therefore, then I think President should carry sort of work realistically. If America is a totalitarian system, then it's one single person make differences. But America, a democratic country, and the power divided.